Thank you for watching, and in this video we are gonna cover the shell command in SolidWorks. So the shell command allow us to take a solid and hollow it out. So by using this shell command we can remove multiple faces by using the same operations. So let's go into the SolidWorks and see how it works. So as I have a example part, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the features, and in the features, as you can see, under the draft there is a command shell. So I'm gonna go into the shells, and then here in the parameters there are two things which I need to select. The first one is how much thickness you want to have for the part. Suppose I'm gonna select the wall thickness of 0.1 inches, and the second thing which I need to select is which face I want to remove. So suppose I want to remove the bottom face, so I'm gonna select the bottom face, and then I need to click the green check mark. Okay, so look, after applying the shell command, it's gonna remove the whole bottom, and it have the same wall thickness of 0.1 inches to the all sides of the part. So maybe if you want to see, we can go into the section view. As you can see in the section view, it has the same wall thickness of 0.1 inches with the all side of the body. Okay, so there is another option. What we can do is we can just go and edit the feature, and as you can see, like, there is another option, multi-thickness setting. Like, we can have a multi-thickness for different walls. So suppose I want to have different thickness for this face, so I can choose it to 0.2 inches, and then I'm gonna go and select the green check mark. Okay, so this face should have a different thickness, and for that we can go again into the section view, and we can see, as you can see, this face, for the one which use multi thickness and we choose 0.2 inches thickness, it has a different thickness, and all other parts have 0.1 thickness.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.
Although it's not be very beneficial in any molding processes, what I can do is I can go, I have another example part, so I can apply shell command and that as well. So as you can see, I have a solid part. I can go into the section view and I can show you this is a whole solid part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply shell, and then I'm gonna select 0.15 this time, 0.15 inches, and then I need to select the face. I'm gonna select this face and apply the shell command. So in this way, you can see I have a kind of jar for a water or milk, whatever you can say. What if I want to remove any other face as well? So I'm gonna go back into the shell and edit feature, and then I'm gonna select this face, bottom face as well. Look, in this way I have a tube, and if you want to remove more faces, you can go back into the shell, edit feature. I want to remove this face, I want to remove this face, and I'm gonna click the green check mark. So in this way I have just this tiny part left. So in that way you can use, or you can select multiple faces for the shell command as much as you want. Okay, so this was a shell command, I would say a really powerful command, and especially if you are working for molding processes and you want to have a uniform wall thickness for injection molding or anything like that, so you can use shell command there. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.